Hey everybody, welcome back to Fixing Things. I was just thinking to myself, I just parked the me-haul truck back in the OK Corral, and I got done with the Grand Cherokee over there, and I was walking back in front of it, and I'm thinking I still got some time in the day. Got plenty of time. I'm looking, and this headlight is only held in by electric tape. I got the stuff to fix it. I got the new bezels that need to be painted and all that stuff. Let's go ahead and finish all that stuff on the front end of this truck on this episode of Fixing Things with Pastor Bill. And it is such a beautiful day. I just can't let the day go to waste. So these are the bezels I bought. They've been sitting in a box for forever, and I thought they were in super excellent shape, but they got rust on them. They're used. Here's my original one, and it's identical. So mine's got rust holes in it. I can see you through it. Probably going to make something out of this. Maybe we'll put a clock in it, hang it up in here. So I think we got to get these things cleaned up and get them painted. Get them on the truck. We also got a new the ring support that goes supposed to hold the headlight in, that thing. Because the one that I bought from another vendor gave me the smaller size one. It was supposed to be the right size, but I guess the guy had tape measure anxiety or something. So we'll get the headlight secure, get these painted up, and get them put on the me-haul truck. Get that front end of the truck looking good. Because I want my wife to be able to go riding in the truck and enjoying it. Not just, I ain't driving in that thing. Let's see if we can't get this thing done. All right, I think we'll start with a DA sander on it. I think we got to use a coarser grit. That wasn't pretty coarse. It was a 180. It's another 180. It's a lot grittier. You can see holes in this one too. Do something a little more coarse. All right, I got this one ready to at least do the back side. I'm just gonna put some Rust-Oleum primer and paint in one, Rust-Oleum X2 black on the back. We're gonna paint it white, but I don't need much of this, so We're going to paint the back side of it. Now we can flip it over and put some primer filler in it. This one's rough. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's any better than my other one. And we'll put some tape on the back side and put some fiberglass filler in here. All right, went inside, got me a sandwich, and fiberglass resin is all hardened up now. Just take off the tape. What that does is it leaves a backing so that the stuff doesn't ooze out. It's rough, really rough. All right, we're back on the first one. This thing is really, really rough. All right, so while that thing is drying, let's open up this trim ring and see if it's even right. Now, it was supposed to come with screws. I don't see the screws. This thing looks brand new though. All right, let's take it over there and see what it looks like. And let's see. Yeah, looks like my holes line up, but I got no screws. Let me go see if I can find some screws for it. All right, I got some screws. They're a little bit longer than they're supposed to be, but they don't go all the way through, so we're good. Take the electrical tape off. All right, we'll let this stuff sit. Once it dries, we'll sand the drips away, maybe do a quick top coat. All right, they didn't turn out too bad, but I'm not gonna put them on. See, there's a lot of imperfections in it. But all in all, it's not too bad. This is the original one. And the one was almost just as bad. But I put the paint on so thick, I'm not gonna put it on today. I'll wait till I get home tomorrow after work, and I'll put them on and end this video tomorrow. Plus, I want to flip it over and retouch a little bit and sand the edges where the drips were. I have scraped them down a little bit on the edges, but I want to just lightly sand it and to smooth it out. By tomorrow, it'll be hard. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow after I get home from the barbershop. All right, I couldn't wait. I just had to put them on. There was a couple spots on it was so thick right around here, but I wanted to see what it looked like when it's on there. They're on there. That's bird poo-poo. There it is. That's what it looks like. I'll take the screws out later and shoot a little white on them, but I just wanted to get them put on. That's it for this episode of Fixing Things with Pastor Bill. Hey, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. They look pretty good, not bad, right? This thing is coming along. It won't be long. We'll be working on the body work in the back, putting that tailgate on, fixing that rear bumper, putting those fenders on. Man, I can't wait. It's almost time to start getting this thing retitled and getting plates on it. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you on the next episode of Fixing Things with Pastor Bill. Hey, probably gonna start on the interior on this thing. I got everything. God bless you. That looks good. Hey, honey. Yeah.